स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. A bare reading of the provision shows that a divorced woman is entitled to claim a reasonable and fair maintenance from her relatives as would be entitled to inherit her property on her death according to Muslim law, provided she has not remarried and is not able to maintain herself. Full stop. Such maintenance shall be payable by such relatives in proportion to the share which they would inherit in her property. Full stop. If the divorced woman has children, the first proviso to subsection (1) of section 4 mandates that the liability to maintain her firstly lies on them. Full stop. In the event of her children being unable to maintain her, the liability shifts to her parents under the same proviso. Full stop. The liability of the relatives does not depend on the contingency that the relatives does not depend on the contingency that the divorced woman has property which they would inherit. Full stop. It looks incongruous, though, that the divorced woman having property would be unable to maintain herself. Full stop. Seemingly, the phraseology has been employed to ascertain firstly such of those relatives who could have inherited her property fictionally on the basis that she could be having property, and secondly, as if she had died on the date when the need for identification arose. Full stop. The speculative plea of any relative that she may not be available to be an heir on the date when the divorced woman would actually die would neither be here nor there. Full stop. Climbing down, if the divorced woman has no relatives as mentioned in subsection (1) or relatives who have not enough means to pay her maintenance, the state Waqf board functioning in the area in which the divorced woman has been foisted with the liability to pay suitable maintenance to her on the magistrate's order or direction. Full stop. Para. We are thus satisfied that the High Court committed no wrong in declining to interfere at the initial stage of the proceedings at the behest of the appellants. Full stop. They are at liberty to take before the magistrate hearing the matter such defense as are open to them on the merit of the matter and within the framework of the legislative scheme embodied in section 4 of the Act. Full stop. Before parting with the judgment, it need be taken into account that notice to the respondent was issued subject to the appellant depositing a sum of rupees 10,000 in this court, irrespective of the result of this case, for the benefit of the respondent to obtain it and defray the litigation expenses. Full stop. The respondent in turn did not engage a counsel but dispatched a letter to this court praying that some counsel be arranged by the court to represent her and that she be remitted the said sum of rupees 10,000. Full stop. In such a situation, we had appointed Mr. Lalit, learned counsel, as an amicus curiae to assist us in the matter on her behalf. Full stop. We had the advantage of his able assistance in appreciating this matter. Full stop. In our view, he deserves a remuneration of rupees 3,000. Full stop. Para. We have taken care to underline and emphasize certain words in the text of section 4 (supra), full stop, as is evident देयर आर मोर देन वन ऑर्डर्स विच आर कंटेम्पलेटेड और कंसीव्ड ऑफ टू बी पास्ड बाय द मैजिस्ट्रेट इन द मोरास ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशंस फुल स्टॉप ओवर। तो दोस्तों ये कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट के लिए 120 का मैटर तैयार हो गया है। आप लोग इसको लीजिएगा, इसको बताइएगा कैसी डिक्टेशन थी, क्या रिव्यूज़ हैं बताइएगा, और मिस्टेक्स शेयर कीजिएगा। कोई मिस्टेक शेयर नहीं करता है, सिर्फ कुछ लोग शेयर करते हैं, ठीक है। चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। और जो है इसमें कोई कुछ अलग से वर्ड्स, कुछ हार्ड कुछ वर्ड्स नए नए आए हुए हैं, सबके लिए हो सकता है नए ना हो। मोरास इसमें लास्ट में आया है, मोरास का मतलब होता है कीचड़ दलदल, ठीक है। तो क्या कहते हैं कि इसको लीजिएगा और बताइएगा क्या है। मिलते हैं अगले डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।